Welcome to Oklahoma City, the world headquarters for smart pots. What is a smart pot? A smart pot is the original fabric planter and the best container for any plant's roots. Smart pots are very durable, yet allow oxygen to your roots for maximum growth rates. Air pruning of the primary roots forces more lateral root development and keeps your plant from becoming root-bound. You don't have to worry about overwatering smart pots, as our lightweight fabric provides maximum drainage, but still keeps your soil neatly in the pot. We've got many sizes, shapes, and colors to choose from.
USA made since 1984. Pick one up today.